Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and in this video I'm fixing a symmetry issue from another user. So I import the file. So this is this one. So let's see what we get. Okay. So I think he's got problems with the ears. So yeah, you see here the gizmo, and here are the ears, and so but the best is I think I check everything. So I select this thing here, and this seems to be the head. Okay, so I rename everything to get a correct order. So, and then I check here the symmetry. So at the moment here, you see here the thing has a world symmetry is active, and when I put it on local, the symmetry is here in the center. So this is okay, but for the world symmetry, you see here the symmetry is here somewhere. I use the front view, and you see here's the symmetry. So this object here is not in the world center. So when you use here the matrix here, you see here, so translation and everything is on 0, but here is move origin. So the move origin is active. So that means that the whole thing is not in the center of the world. And this is not a good thing to sculpt such a head off center. So, okay, so we have to fix this. But first, I arrange everything in a correct order in the hierarchy. So I put the cigarette here as a child under the head. These are the eyes, so I put it also as a child under the head. And here I rename this as neck. So cylinder is cigarette. And so the neck I put also as a child here. So, and this is the ear. I put it also as a child here. And this ear here, I don't need at the moment, so I delete it. And this group node I also don't need. Okay. So we know that this thing here is off-center, but the problem is that really you don't see here that the values are off-center, but this here says your object is not at the center. So I press here move origin, and all childs are move also to the origin. And here I think the pivot is in a correct position. So move origin. So now you see here everything is with different values here, the world. So, and now I bake the positions. So bake, so everything is 0. I use the ear and bake it also here. So now I think everything is okay. For the eyes, so I need only one eye. So I trim and turn the symmetry off. So I trim this eye and I add a mirror node. So then I rename it eyes, and this here is the eye. Okay, so the next thing is the ear. So I want this ear on this side because I want to mirror here always from right to left. So for this one here, I use the flip option. So it flips to this side. And then I add also a mirror. And here this ear, so best is to bake here, or yeah, to check everything here. So I think the pivot, let's check the pivot position. Okay. And then I bake this pivot point. Okay, I think everything is okay. And now I bake it here. So let's see when I bring it out of the... So, bring it back. Okay, I think now everything is okay. And now check here the symmetry. For this object, world is okay. And for this object, we need maybe a local symmetry. For this, we can use the world symmetry. Here, use also the world symmetry. And here, I think local. Local, world, world. So here, everything seems to be okay. So let's check the meshes here. Okay. For the ear, we need a mirror. So looks okay. And here, solo view. Let's test smoothing. Seems to be okay. Check the layer. Is okay. So, and here, so here is the thing here, the pivot. I think I put it back here, and I check also the symmetry. So we can use here this symmetry button. Okay. We have to activate symmetry. Now it works for this object. Okay. So I think everything is fixed. So that's it. Yeah, have fun with sculpting. Ciao.